Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Automation Loop. I'm Priyanka. So, in my previous video, I have shared my experiences, my journey, and how I have achieved the MVP title, Most Valuable Professional from UiPath. So, if you have not watched that video, just go and watch and get some inspiration. So, in that video, I have got the comment from Dhiren that he would like to switch his career into RPA and he need a guidance. So the same question I earlier got from many others, and I have helped them, I have guided them with a roadmap or a guidance. So I thought, why not to make a video on this particular topic, so that will be helpful for many people. So in this video, I'm going to share some guidance or a roadmap that how you can switch your career into RPA. So no matter if you are from non-technical background or if you are working in some another domain or technology, still you can learn RPA UiPath and you can switch your career into RPA. Also, in the end, there is a knowledge treat for you. So watch the video till end and let's get started to this video. To switch your career into RPA UiPath, first you need to learn UiPath, right? Then the question arises from where you can learn the RPA UiPath. And you can start with UiPath Academy. So UiPath Academy is a platform where you will find a plenty of courses according to the role. So there are courses for developer, there are courses for solution architect, business analyst, and for manager too. So you can have that courses, you can enroll the courses according to your role and you can go through the courses. And once you complete the course, you will have a diploma certificate in the end, and that is for free of cost. Isn't it wonderful? So if I talk about the courses for a developer, so there are two courses for developer, which is foundation and advanced. So you can enroll for both and you can go through the whole course and get the diploma certificates. So while going through the course, also you can check the series that we have hosted and we have conducted on the foundation course, RPA foundation course. So in that course, it was like a 7 episode, so 7 series are there, and in that course we have we have implemented, we have cleared the concept from the beginning to end. Like we have started with like basic, what is the workflow or what are the data types, and till like what is RPA, RE framework, what is the orchestrator and how it works. So we have also implemented the real-time use cases. So you can also go through that particular foundation series, so that will help you most. So I will provide you the link of UiPath Academy and the foundation course in the description box below. So you can always check and you can start your learning. While going through the UiPath Academy courses and the foundation series, you can also install the community edition of UiPath in your machine. And you can start implementing a small use cases or the use cases that shown in academy courses or that foundation series, and you can replicate that particular use cases and you can run that particular scenario, run that particular use cases. After that you can modify something and you can play around with that use case and get some knowledge. So obviously while implementing the use cases, scenarios that shown in academy or the foundation course, you will face some issues, you will stuck somewhere, you will have some errors in your workflow, right? So from where you can resolve that errors, or from where you can get the solution for that particular scenario or use case. So to answer your question, UiPath is having a forum. So UiPath forum is a platform where people can put their question, put their queries and issues along with their explanation and the screenshot. Okay, and the expert from UiPath or the expert from the community or the people they are working in the organization, they can provide the solution and they can help you with the answer for your use cases, for your questions accordingly. So the first step to learn the RPA is to register for UiPath Academy and have the courses according to your role. Then go through the entire course and after having the course or during that particular course, you can install your community edition. It is free of cost, and then you can implement a small use cases, and then you can maybe, there are plenty of videos, there are plenty of material that you can replicate the scenario, replicate the use cases, and you can have the knowledge of that particular use case or that particular technology or topic. So if you stuck in the implementation of use cases or a scenario, obviously you can go to the UiPath forum and you can search the topic or the particular error that you came across, and this might be the case that you will get the answer itself posted by someone else, so you can your problem got resolved, right? But if you didn't find a solution, obviously you can post a new question, and expert from UiPath or maybe a community member or the people who have the knowledge on that particular use cases, they can answer your query and you will get the solution. So you can also get the help from UiPath documentation. So UiPath is providing a huge documentation for each and every topic along with the example. So to increase your knowledge, you can also join the UiPath community events. So UiPath community events is a platform where you will find a lot of upcoming events. Also, you will find a recording of earlier events, and you can also go for the upcoming events and do RSVP for that particular event, schedule at specific time and specific date, and you can join the event on that particular day. And in that event, there will be a speaker who will present the idea, concept and implementation. And obviously you can talk to the speaker in the end, you can ask your queries, you can ask your doubts, and increase your knowledge. So once you have the basic knowledge and the hands-on experience, you can always explore the different UiPath feature for advanced knowledge like Action Center, Test Suite, Chatbot, Task Capture, Process Mining, AI Center, and many more. You can also find the courses for this particular product or feature in the UiPath Academy, and you can enroll for that particular courses and you can complete the diploma certification in that particular product. So this is how you can be updated with different features and product of UiPath. So to gain more knowledge on UiPath, last but not the least, my YouTube channel. So I have already posted a lot of video and I keep posting the video on different features and product of UiPath, and from that video you can have the knowledge on different products, and obviously you can try to implement different use cases that I have shown in that video, and you can have the knowledge on that particular topic. So we've covered whole roadmap, that how you can start your RPA journey or how you can learn RPA UiPath, and how you can become an expert in this technology, and how you can excel in your career, right? So it's time to have a knowledge treat, and the knowledge treat is UiPath is on live on 24th of March, and in that live event we'll get to know that what is fully automated enterprises, the advantages of fully automated enterprises, and how organizations are molding into this fully automated enterprises, and how UiPath help to make this happen. So see you there in the live event. I hope you found this video helpful to start your career into RPA. So just go and start your learning today. But wait, before that, just subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Till then, bye-bye.